Hi my friends, I am happy to announce that I will be participating in this year's Making Zen Retreat, hosted by Zen Stitching. There will be presentations from 20 different artists, including myself, that you can follow along with at home to hone your skills and learn new techniques. And in this video, I will be sharing everything I learned on how to apply watercolors on fabric and create mixed media embroidery projects. Watercolor creates a very charming effect since the color bleeds out to the fabric. With watercolor, you can cover large areas in a short period of time, and then with hand embroidery, you can add just some outlines and accent elements. It helps to complete a project faster comparing to the traditional way of stitching when you have to fill all the backgrounds and details with stitches. I know that many of you are afraid to use watercolors on fabric because the paint spreads and it's hard to control. I will show you a few techniques I use in my work that will help you to draw sharper and more controlled areas. I feel incredibly lucky to participate in this online retreat again. Follow the link in my video description below and get your free ticket.